what is the best way to learn how to ride a motorcycle? So I'm out here in the office. I'm going to be talking to you guys real quick about this one question you guys keep sending in while I am signing these Smart Rider motorcycle training drill booklets. Okay, this is one of those. It's going to help you out. All right, so the best way to learn how to ride a motorcycle? Well, if you have a mentor, that's probably going to be one of the best. So think of a mentor as, I don't know, your friend, your dad, mom, sister, brother, whoever. Peer mentors are great. And it's going to be somebody that knows how to communicate with you. It's going to be somebody that understands your type of learning, your type of language. And they're also very patient, because usually with somebody that has skill, usually somebody has knowledge, they get impatient with a beginner. And that's typical because, it's like, oh, they should know because you know. People like to project their knowledge onto others thinking that they understand it. And if they don't, it gets frustrating. Trust me, I've been there. You've probably been there. Probably upset with a friend, kid, your whatever, spouse. They don't know something and they should know, but at the end of the day, they don't have your life experiences. So hopefully you found a mentor that doesn't have that issue, and they're able to teach you, because it's going to be one-on-one, and they're going to be very slow, very basic. They're going to make sure you're wearing full gear, or at least a helmet. They're going to make sure that you're starting off in a parking lot, learning the friction zone, how to balance the bike, how to start it, how to get on and off. And then you're going to do some parking lot exercises like tight turn, U-turn, figure eight. And it's going to be a long process. It's not all in one day. Okay, so we're just learning basic operation of the motorcycle. And so that's what you're doing with your mentor. If you don't have a mentor or a motorcycle, because your mentor needs to have a motorcycle to teach you, needs the equipment to teach you, take an MSF class, Motorcycle Safety Foundation class, or wherever you're at. It's going to be a structured class. I believe Total Control has stuff in California. If you're outside of the United States, you're going to have your own version of academies and classes. That's a great way to learn, because then you're using their equipment. You pay a fee sometimes. Other places are like, oh, it's free. That's great. It's like $300 here. But that way I don't have to buy a motorcycle to practice on. I don't have to buy all the gear to practice on. And then I have no instruction, so I got to figure it all out myself. And that's why we're really focused here at MTC to give you that knowledge. So slow speed exercises on the Smart Rider drills, boom. Pretty low price too for this booklet and a digital version. But if you're going to be going to the MSF, what you're doing is you're utilizing their motorcycle. You're utilizing their knowledge that they're bringing to you. It's a structured 2-day class, sometimes 3-day class. They have a helmet for you, hopefully. They should be providing a helmet and gloves. You just need to wear long pants, boots, and a long sleeve t-shirt. You're going to have in-class stuff, so you're going to learn all the road strategies and how to operate a motorcycle. And you're going to be out on the range doing multiple exercises across 2 days, learning how to shift, turn, everything I just said. And then hopefully you can get your endorsement through that. Those are the best ways to learn. If you like to learn on YouTube, subscribe to Motorcycle Training Concepts. Go to DanDanTheFireman YouTube channel. Grab yourself a Smart Rider drill booklet. These are, look at that, parking lot exercises that you just need a 40x60 parking lot right there. And then you also have video examples of each one of me practicing and showing you and giving you some tips. But this is another way to learn if you already know how to ride a little bit, but just a little bit concerned about your slow speed maneuvers. So that is the best way to learn how to ride a motorcycle. Hopefully that helped you out. If it did, subscribe, get a booklet, hug your kid, find a mentor, look for a class. All right, I'll see you guys later.